This is meteorologist Audra Henneke with the National Weather Service office in Topeka with a winter weather briefing recorded at 7 a.m. on Thursday, November 21st. The main focus of this briefing is going to be on the wintry precipitation that we can be expecting across the region today. All locations within the forecast area are expected to be affected by this precipitation. That includes north central, northeast, and eastern Kansas. With this system, we can expect morning rain showers here to transition over to periods of freezing rain, sleet, as well as snow. With regards to the start time, we're going to be seeing temperatures plummeting across the region today as a cold front moves through the area. As a result, those coldest temperatures are going to be moving into north central Kansas here this morning, and so we could start seeing some of that mix over to wintry precipitation across north central Kansas by mid-morning, and that'll continue to sink southeastward across the region today. So we could expect to see some of that switch over and precipitation types by late this afternoon into early this evening across northeastern Kansas, and the last area to see this transition will be across extreme east central Kansas, in which they might not see that transition from rain to mixed precipitation until later this evening, possibly after midnight for some locations. So what is our confidence level with the aspects of this storm? Well, we have a pretty moderate confidence that most areas across the forecast area are going to be seeing some periods of scattered light precipitation today through tonight. With regards to the timing, we're already seeing those light showers, rain showers, lift northward across the area this morning. And again, with that scattered precipitation in place, expect to see it switch over to wintry precipitation through the day and tonight. The main area of uncertainty, though, is with regards to how quickly this precipitation is going to exit the area late tonight and during the day on Friday. So stay tuned to updates on that. With regards to precipitation type, we're pretty confident that with these plummeting temperatures, we will be seeing these rain showers slowly but surely transitioning over to that freezing rain or freezing drizzle, as well as periods of sleet and snow. Now, the one thing to keep in mind with this event, although we're going to be seeing this wintry precipitation, accumulation amounts are expected to be pretty low because we don't expect a whole lot of moisture with this system. So any snow that develops, any accumulations are expected to be less than 1 inch, and any ice accumulations from the sleet and freezing rain are probably around 1/10 or less across the region. So let's take a look what's going to take place today and tonight. Here's a picture showing where that best area of seeing the rain transitioning over to freezing rain, drizzle, and sleet is going to be, and that's highlighted in purple. So much of north central Kansas could be seeing that transition occurring by mid to late morning and persisting through the afternoon hours. And then as we head into tonight, that's where we can see much of the transition occurring. Those rain showers that are over eastern Kansas originally during the daytime hours, eventually going to be switching over to freezing rain. Across the central portion of the forecast area, we could be seeing the combination of freezing drizzle, sleet, and snow. And across the north central corner of Kansas, that's where we could be seeing the potential of a mixture of sleet and eventually turning entirely over to snow late tonight and during the overnight hours into Friday morning. So what sort of impacts can we expect with this system? Well, we could be expecting slick roads, especially icy spots on those bridges and overpasses with this wintry precipitation. So if you do plan on traveling today and tonight into Friday morning, you want to make sure that you allow extra time and be extra safe on the roadways. Again, temperatures are going to be falling into the teens and the 20s today into tonight, and by this evening through the overnight hours into Friday morning, that's going to result in wind chill values dropping all the way down into the teens and even the single digits. So if you are traveling tonight, you want to make sure you also bundle up in case you happen to get stranded in your car. This concludes the winter weather briefing here this morning. Make sure to stay tuned to our webpage as well as social media for the latest forecast updates.